Everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we practice some more important bits regarding the unit 6 from the lesson Clever Tenali Ramakrishna from the AP English content. All the people assembled there hailed Tenali Ramakrishna for his presence of mind. Choose the synonym of the underlined word hailed. Answer admired. According to the lesson, Clever Tenali Ramakrishna, what was the mistake done by Srikrishna Devaraya? Answer, he appointed Chitravarma the chief advisor. His decisions were irrelevant. Choose the meaning of underlined word irrelevant. Answer, improper. Please show me the way to the library. This sentence is dash. Answer, declarative sentence. Identify the wrongly spelt word. Answer, ARANGEMENT. Choose the suffix that suits the word discuss. Answer, SION. Discussion. According to the lesson Clever Tenali Ramakrishna, how many coins were in the bag? Answer, 999 coins. My father will come to India today. Dash tomorrow. Choose the suitable conjunctions. Answer, or. You are a unique painter. Choose the meaning of the underlined word unique. Answer, unmatched. What happened? This sentence is dash. Answer, interrogative sentence. According to the lesson Clever Tenali Ramakrishna, what did Nasiruddin pray for daily? Answer, for 1000 gold coins. Identify the wrongly spelt word. Answer, HORIBLE. Choose the phonetic sound of the underlined letters in parrot. Answer, option A. Tenali Ramakrishna told them that he had an idea and assured them not to worry. Choose the meaning of the underlined word assured. Answer convinced. You shall be rewarded. Choose the synonym of the underlined word rewarded. Answer honored. Long ago, a farmer had dash ox. Choose the suitable article. Answer an. According to the lesson Clever Tenali Ramakrishna, what was the previous job of Chitravarma? Answer painter. Choose the suffix that suits the word treat. Answer MENT treatment. Tenali Ramakrishna told them that he had an idea and assured them not to worry. Choose the synonym of the underlined word worry. Answer depress. Choose the prefix that suits the word balance. Answer I am imbalance. Choose the phonetic sound of the underlined word, underlined letters in photo. Answer option B. One day, Tenali Ramakrishna approached the emperor Srikrishna Devaraya. Choose the synonym of the underlined word approached. Answer met. Choose the prefix that suits the word acceptable. Answer unacceptable. Yes, Your Majesty, really it is wonderful. Choose the opposite of the underlined word. Answer common or ordinary. Choose the prefix that suits the word logical. Answer IL. Identify the wrongly spelt word. Answer MERCYFUL. Choose the prefix that suits the word agree. Answer DIS. Disagree. Choose the prefix that suits the word relevant. Answer IR. Irrelevant. Choose the phonetic sound of the underlined letters in phone. Answer option B. Choose the suffix that suits the word improve. Answer MENT improvement. Choose the prefix that suits the word happy. Answer unhappy. Choose the antonym of the word balance. Answer instability. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.